Good morning students. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. So listen ma, welcome to 4th standard. Welcome to 4th standard. So 4th standard math subject, okay? So welcome to 4th standard math subject ma. Listen, today we are going to talk about the topic is numbers. Today what topic ma? Numbers. Already you know that the numbers, okay? From 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay? So in the lower class also you learn about the numbers. So listen ma, what is the numbers? What is the numbers? Numbers na enna? So நம்மளுடைய day to day life ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா numbers are very important. Okay மாமா? So numbers வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு மேக்ஸ்லயே ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான ஒரு டாபிக்ஸ் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து numbers தான். Okay மாமா? Because numbers are the basic. Numbers தான் வந்து basic. நம்மளுடைய day to day lifeல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய விஷயத்துல நம்ம நம்பர்ஸை யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஓகேவாடா? ஸோ என்னென்ன இடத்துல யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம். ஸோ டைம் சொல்லும்போது என்ன சொல்றோம்? 8:45, 9 o'clock, 10:30. ஸோ அது எல்லாமே என்னதான்? நம்பர்ஸ் தான். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா டேட்டு. இன்னைக்கு என்ன டேட்? 25th, 24th, 26th, 13th, 12th. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே வந்து என்னதான்? நம்பர்ஸ் தான். சரி, அதை விடுங்க. நீங்கள் என்ன ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறீங்கன்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன சொல்வீங்க? 4th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் மேம். ஸோ 4 அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது? நம்பர்ஸ் தான். ஸோ நம்மளுடைய டே டு டே லைஃப்பில் வந்து நம்பர்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ அந்த நம்பர்ஸில் சில விஷயங்களை பற்றி தான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்பர்ஸுடைய நேம்ஸ். ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னது? நம்பர்ஸுடைய நேம்ஸ். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி யூ நோ தட் த நம்பர்ஸ் நேம் ஃப்ரம் 1 to 9. ஓகேவா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ லேர்ன் அபவுட் 10 to 100. So listen carefully ma, what is the spelling of numbers 10 to 100? So first 10, T-E-N, 10. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. 70, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay mama, first you recall the numbers name from 10 to 100. After you see ma, digit numbers. Okay, after we learn about digit numbers. So listen ma, first number starting from 1. So from 1 to 9, the numbers between 1 to 9 are called one digit numbers. That means single digit number. Okay, from 1 to 9. Okay, the numbers from 1 to 9 are called one digit numbers. So 1 is the smallest one digit number because 1 is the starting of one digit number. So 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the highest one digit number. That means greatest number. Okay, so in the one digit numbers, 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the greatest one digit numbers. So listen ma, next 10. So numbers from 10 to 99 are called two digit numbers. The numbers from 10 to 99 are called two digit numbers. So similarly in the two digit numbers, 10 is the smallest two digit number and 99 is the greatest two digit number. Okay, next three digit number. Three digit number starts with 100. So the number from 100 to 999, and these numbers are called three digit numbers. The numbers from 100 to 999, these numbers are called three digit numbers. So similarly in the three digit numbers, 100 is the smallest three digit number and 999 is the greatest three digit number. Okay, next four digit number. 4 digit number starts with 1000. 4-digit number starts with 1000. So from the number 1000 to 9999, these between numbers are called 4-digit numbers. Okay, the number from 1000 to 9999, these numbers are called 4-digit numbers. In the 4-digit numbers, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, next you see 5-digit numbers. 5-digit number starts with 10,000. The number from 10,000 to 99,999 are called 5-digit numbers. The numbers from 10,000 to 99,999, these numbers are called 5-digit numbers. Okay, so in the 5-digit numbers, 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number and 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Okay, so listen 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers. So listen what are the patterns are given? So listen, these are the smallest numbers, 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. These are the smallest numbers and these numbers are called greatest numbers. So listen the smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay. So same, listen the greatest 1-digit number is 9. Next the greatest 2-digit number is 99. That means 99. Okay. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. That means 999. The greatest 3-digit number is what? 999. That means 999. Okay. Next 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay. That means 4 nines. Next you see the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Okay, these are the digit numbers and these are the smallest digit numbers and these are the greatest digit numbers. Okay, after you see the place values. What is the place values? The mathematical definition of place value is the position of the number. What place value is? The position of the number. ஒரு நம்பருடைய பொசிஷன் அது என்ன பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத சொல்றது தான் place values அப்படினு சொல்றோம். ஓகேவாமா? சோ place values பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நமக்கு ஒரு கண்டிஷன் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா place value starts from right hand side. Place value starts from right hand side to left hand side. So in right hand side to left hand side the place values are increasing. ஓகேவாமா? So in the place values starts with right hand side to left hand side the place values are increasing. So the place value starts with ones. Place value starts with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, etc. So in the 4th standard it's enough. So listen place value starts with ones, after tens, after hundreds, after thousands, after 10,000. So listen ones place. What is the value of 1? 1. Next tens place 10. 100 place 100. 1000 place 1000. 10,000 means 10,000. Okay mama. So these are the place values. So listen how to put the place values of numbers. The place value starts with right hand side. The place values right hand side to left hand side. The place values are increasing. The order of the place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay mama. So by using the place values to write the numbers name. By using the place values to numbers name. Okay listen students. Next exercise 2.1. 2.1 first Roman. Write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. So 3 numbers are given. We will So 6327. Ones place and tens place combine பண்ணி தான் சொல்லணும். ஓகேவாமா? So எப்பவுமே place values numbers name write பண்ணும்போது place valuesல ones place or tens place combine பண்ணி தான் சொல்லணும். ஓகேவாமா? So how to write the numbers name? By using place values. 6327. So 6327. Okay, mama. Next sum is that one number is given. We will write the numbers name. First step one, put the place values of given number. The place value starts with right hand side to left hand side. The order of the place value is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. Next you write the numbers name. How to read the number? 9000. The 100 place is what? 0. The given number having a 100 place 0. So no need to write the 0. Because the given number, the 100 place having what number? 0. So no need to write the 0. Then how to read the number? 9097. How to read the number? 9097. Okay, so listen, 9097. That's all. Because the given number 100 place having a value 0. So no need to write the 0. So third sum is that one number is given. First step one, put the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then how to read the number? 1006. Because the given number having 100 place and 10th place, two places are 0. So no need to write the 0 in number's name. Then how to read the number? 1006. 1006. That's all. So numbers to numbers name. Numbers are given. First you write the place values. Don't forget the order of the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then how to write the number? 6327. So ones place, tens place join பண்ணி தான் சொல்லணும். Okay mama? So next sum one number is given. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then how to read the number? 9097. Because the given number 100 place having 0. So no need to write the 0. Then how to read? 9097. Okay. Next third sum is now one number is given. You put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. How to read the number? 1006. 1006. Because the given number having 100 place and 10th place also 0. So no need to write the 0. How to read the number? 1006. That's all. Okay mama. So see the second Roman. Write the numerals for each of the following. Okay. Number names are given. Numbers name are given. We will write the numbers. Numerals means what? Numbers. In the first Roman, numbers are given. We write the numbers name. In the second Roman, numbers names are given. We write the numbers by using the place values. How to write? Listen. First you write the place values. Say the order of the place values: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So again you read the number 7000. 7000. The 1000 place value is what? 7. So you write the 7 in 1000 place. Again you read the number 7000. So the 1000 place value is 7. So you write the 7 in 1000 place. Next you see and 64. Any 100 places are given? 300, 400, 700. Any 100 places are given? No. So you put the 0 in 100 place. You write the 0 in 100 place. Okay, one given சம்ல நம்பர்ஸ் நேம்ல 100 பிளேஸ் கொடுக்காததுனால 0 போடணும் ஓகேவாமா next you read 64 so 6 in 10th place and 4 in 1's place 64 6 in 10th place number and 4 is 1's place number okay so listen ma 7064 first you write the place values ones tens hundreds and thousand again you read the questions very carefully 7000 so the 1000 place value is 7 after any 100 places are given no so just you write the 0 in 100 after you see 64 so 6 in the 10th place and 4 in the 1's place okay so 7064 that's all so in the second sum first you write the place values order of the place values ones tens hundreds and thousand okay so you read the numbers 9000 what ma 9000 so the 1000 place value is 9 so you write the 9 in 1000 place next 300 the 100 place value is 3 next you see and 40 means 40 so 4 in the 10th place number and 0 in 1's place number 40 so read the number 9340 okay so in the first Roman numbers are given we write the numbers name in the second Roman numbers listen students third Roman answer the following okay word problem கொடுத்திருக்காங்க so first question Ramu went to a bank to deposit rupees 7500 so ராமுங்கிறவர் வந்து பேங்க்குக்கு போறாரு போயிட்டு ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வந்து டெபாசிட் பண்றாரு so in the deposit form he has to fill up the amount in words so நம்ம டெபாசிட் பண்ற அந்த சலாம்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் டெபாசிட் பண்றோமோ அது வந்து நம்பர்ஸ்லயே ரைட் பண்ணனும் அந்த நம்பர்க்கான நேமும் ரைட் பண்ணனும் so அதுக்கு could you please help him நம்பர்ஸ் நேம் ரைட் பண்றதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க ஓகேவாமா so first சொல்யூஷன் பாருங்க என்ன அமௌண்ட் அங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரைட் பண்ணிக்கணும் அமௌண்ட் மீன்ஸ் நம்பர் என்ன நம்பர் கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அந்த நம்பரை ரைட் பண்ணிக்கணும் so after you put the place values ones tens hundreds and thousand okay by using the place values to read the number how to read the number 7500 that's all because the given number having ones place and tens place value is 0 so no need to write the 0 so what is the answer 7500 okay mama so ராமுங்கிற ஒரு பேங்க்குக்கு போறாரு 7500 rupees வந்து டெபாசிட் பண்றாரு அந்த சலாம்ல டெபாசிட் ஃபார்ம்ல வந்து நம்பர்ஸ்லயே ரைட் பண்ணனும் நம்பர்ஸ் நேம்லயே ரைட் பண்ணனும் so நம்பர்ஸ் நேம் ரைட் பண்ண ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க so first வந்து என்ன அமௌண்ட் அப்படிங்கறத எழுதிரணும் 7500 okay மாமா so அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பரை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு next you put the place values ones tens hundreds and thousand how to write the numbers name 7500 that's all because the given number having ones place and tens place is 0 so no need to write so answer is 7500 okay mama so next you see the second sum find the sum of the okay find the sum means addition okay mama find the sum of the greatest 2 digit and the greatest 3 digit numbers okay so greatest 2 digit numbers ஐயும் greatest 3 digit numbers ஐயும் add பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க next one write the number names of that sum so greatest 2 digit number ஐயும் greatest 3 digit number ஐயும் add பண்ணி வர்ற ஆன்சருக்கு நம்பர்ஸ் நேம் ரைட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க ஓகே மாமா so solution already you know that the greatest 2 digit numbers and greatest 3 digit numbers yes or no so 1 to 9 is 1 digit number and 10 to 99 is 2 digit number and 100 to 999 is 3-digit number. Already I told you. Okay, Mama. So, solution. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. Okay. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds. After you write. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. 2-digit number. Okay. Next, the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, Mama. So, next, addition. Sum means what? Addition. So, you add 9 plus 9. 9 in the mind and 9 in the fingers. Okay. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, ma? So, you write the 18 here and 1 goes to the carry on. Again, you add 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So, you write 9 here and 1 goes to the carry on. Okay, 1 goes to the carry on. Next, 100 place. 9 plus 1 is 10. That's all. Okay, Mama. So, listen, ma. Given answer is what? 1098. This is the answer. How to write the number name? First, you put the place values. So, what is the place value? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. How to write? 1098. 1098. The given number having 100 plus value is 0. So, no need to write. Okay, va? So, say the answer, ma. 1000. Okay. So, say the answer. 1098. 1098. That's all. Okay, Mama. So, first sum, Ramu went to a bank to deposit rupees 7500. ராமுங்கிற ஒரு பேங்க்குக்கு போய் ஒரு அமௌண்ட்டை டெபாசிட் பண்ணுறாரு. அவருடைய அந்த டெபாசிட் ஃபார்மில் வந்து அவர் டெபாசிட் பண்ணுற அமௌண்ட்டை வேர்ட்ஸில் ரைட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு வந்து அவர் என்ன அமௌண்ட்டு டெபாசிட் பண்ணுறாரோ அதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு எழுதி ரைட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு யூ ரைட் த amount of deposit. Okay, well, depositing amount. After you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. By using these place values to write the numbers name. 7500. It's enough because the given number having ones place and tens place value is 0. So, no need to write the 0. So, the answer is 7500. In the second sum, find the sum of the greatest 2-digit and the greatest 3-digit numbers. Okay, so greatest 2-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number addition. After, write the number names of that sum. So, adode answer ku numbers name write pananum. Okay, mama. So, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. So, first you add the ones place. First you add the ones place. 9 plus 9 is 18 and 8 here 1 goes to the carry on. After 10th place 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 9 here and 1 goes to the carry on and 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay. So, you write the answer. After you write the numbers name. How to write the numbers name? First you put the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So, 1098 because the given number having the 100 place value is 0. So, no need to write the 0. So, what is the answer? 1098. Okay, mama. Listen, students. Next topic is odd numbers and even numbers. What is the topic? Odd numbers and even numbers. Okay. First, listen, ma. the definition of odd numbers and even numbers. First, odd numbers. What is the odd number? So, numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. Okay, so a given number is ending with what are the numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The numbers are called odd numbers. So kuduthirukka 4 digit numbers or 5 digit number, any digit numbers, the n number means what? Ones place number. The n number means what? Ones place number is the given number having the ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, Mama. For example, this is one number and this is one number. How to read this number? By using the place values. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then how to read the number? 2091. Okay, Mama. So, n number means what? Ones place number. So, what is the ones place number? 1. By using the condition, the numbers end with n means ones place value is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. So, நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்க given number உடைய ones place value ல 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 இந்த நம்பர்ஸ்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பர் இருந்துச்சுனா this number is called odd number. So 2091 is a odd number because the ones place having number 1. Okay, Mama. So next example listen, one number is given. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. How to read the number? 4693. Okay, Mama. 4693. Okay, so n numbers. N number means what? Ones place number. So you see the ones place number means what? 3. So by using the condition, the n number, the numbers end with end means ones place value is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. So the given number also ones place having 3. So this number is also called odd numbers. Okay, Mama. So what is the condition of odd numbers? The numbers end with n means the given number ones place value. In the given number, the ones place value is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. So கொடுத்திருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ்ல ones placeல 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுனா அந்த நம்பர் வந்து odd numbers. Okay, Mama. So by using the condition, two examples are given. First one, you see the ones place 1. So this is odd number. So second sum, you see the ones place only 3. So this whole number is called odd number. Okay, Mama. So next even numbers. Even number means numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Okay, Mama. So கொடுத்திருக்கிற number உடைய n numbers. N means what? Ones place numbers. The numbers end with n means ones place value has the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called an even numbers. Okay, for example, two numbers are given. You see the ones place only. In the two numbers, the first number having the ones place value is 2 and the second number having the ones place value is 8. By using the condition, these two numbers are called even numbers. Okay, by using the condition, these two numbers are called even numbers. So listen, Mom, if you want to find the odd numbers and even numbers, just you see the ones place only. Okay, Mama, if you want to say the odd numbers or even numbers, just you see the ones place only. Okay, Mama. So in the ones place having a number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, these numbers are called odd numbers. For the example, okay, next even numbers, the ones place number have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. The numbers are called even numbers. For the two examples, Okay, if you don't forget it mom, if you want to say the odd numbers or even numbers, just you see the ones place only. Okay, so listen ma, 1 3 5 7 9 odd, 0 2 4 6 8 even. Okay mama, so don't forget it. 1 3 5 7 9 odd, 0 2 4 6 8 even. Okay mama, so இந்த கண்டிஷன்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸை மட்டும் பார்த்தாலே அது ஆட் நம்பரா ஈவன் நம்பரானு we can easily identify. Listen ma, next exercise 2.2. Already we told that what is odd numbers and what is even numbers. If you want to find the odd numbers and even numbers, you just see the ones place only. So listen ma, first Roman, encircle the odd numbers and tick the even numbers. So some numbers are given, just you see the ones place to find out the given number is odd number or even number. Suppose the given number is odd number means just you circle the number, and even number means you tick the numbers. Okay, so listen ma, first some numbers are given. Okay, just you see the ones place value only. Okay mama, so first you see first number, what is the ones place value? 1. So by using the condition, the ones place value is 1 means the number is what number? Very good, odd number. Odd number means circle. Odd number you circle. Okay, next you see the second number, just you see the ones place value. The ones place value is 2. The number having ones place value is 2 means the number is called even number. The number is called even number. So next third sum you see ma, 1 4-digit number is given. You see the ones place value. Ones place value means 3. So listen, 1 3 5 7 9. These numbers are in ones place value. These numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, so 0 2 4 6 8. These numbers are in ones place. The number is called even numbers. Okay, so the ones place number is 3. By using the condition, the number is called odd number. So circle it. So third sum, listen ma, one number is given. Just you see the ones place value is 2. So by using the condition, the ones place value is 2 means the number is what number? Even number. So you just tick the number. Okay, next you see ma, one number is given. You see the ones place. The ones place value is 5. So 5 means what number? Odd number. So you circle the numbers. Okay, another sum. The ones place value is 2. 2 means what number? 2 means even number. So just you tick the number. Okay mama. So next last number, ones place value is 7. The ones place value is 7 means odd number. So you circle the numbers. Okay mama. So listen here, you see the ones place. The ones place value is 1. So the number is called odd numbers. Next you see the ones place value is 0. So the number is called even number. Next the ones place value is 2. 2 means even number. So you tick the number. So next you see the ones place value. What is the ones place value? 1. So ones place value 1 means the number is called odd numbers. Okay, next the ones place value is 4. 4 means even number. So just you tick the number. Okay, next you see the second adutha sum. The ones place value is 8. So 8 means even number. You tick the number. Next sum, ones place value is what? 6. The ones place value 6 is what number? Even number. Just you tick the number. Okay, so by using the conditions to identify the odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, so listen ma, the ones place having a number 1 3 5 7 and 9, the numbers are called odd numbers. The ones place having a value 0 2 4 6 and 8, the numbers are called even number. So if you want to find out the odd numbers and even numbers, just you see the ones place values only. Okay, ones place values only you see, you can easily identify these are odd number or even numbers. Okay students, listen ma, next second Roman, choose the even numbers from the following. Okay, choose the even numbers from the following. கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ஸ்ல even numbers find out பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. And write the number and number names also. Okay, first you want some numbers are given, first you find out which are the even numbers. After you write the numbers names of even numbers. Okay, first வந்து even numbers find பண்ணனும். So listen ma, so what is the first number? First number is this, and the first number having the ones place value is 1. 1 means what number? Odd number. The ones place value 1 means the number is called odd number. After the ones place value is 6. 6 means the number is called even number. Okay, this number is called even number because the ones place value is 6. The ones place value is 6. Next sum, the ones place value is 9. The ones place value 9 means what number? Odd number. Okay mama. So next, the ones place value is 1. The ones place value 1 means also odd number. The last one, the ones place value is 8. 8 means even number. Okay. Now we find out what are the odd numbers and what are the even numbers. Okay, first you write the numbers, after you write the number names. So first you write the even numbers only. So 4706 and 3848, these two numbers are even numbers. So first you write the numbers, after you write the numbers name. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands by using the place values to write the numbers name. How to write the numbers name? 4706. 4706 because the given number having the 10th place value is 0. So no need to write the 0. Okay. So next one number is given. This number is even number. Okay. You put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. After you will write the numbers name. So how to write the numbers name? 3848. 3848. So 3848. That's all. Okay mama. So இது வந்து நீங்க class work complete பண்ணனும். இதே மாதிரி இந்த டிக் சர்க்கிள்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுடைய புக்கில் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, அதையும் வந்து நீங்கள் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும், டிக் பண்ணணும். லிசன்மா, நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக் இஸ் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூஸ். ஓகேவா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு லிசன்மா, த நம்பர் ஸ்டார்டிங் by using the place values to write the numbers name. Already I told you, but I told only place values orders only. Okay mama, already I told the orders of the place values only. But now we are going to learn about the what is the meaning of place values. What is the meaning of place values? So listen ma'am, already you know that the order of the place values. The place value starts with right hand side to left hand side. Right hand side to left hand side, the place values are increasing. Okay, already I told you. So you say the order of the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. Okay mama. So listen, ones means 1, tens, hundreds and thousand. This is the order of the place values. But now what is the place value? What is the place values? So place value means the position of the number. Place value means what ma'am? The position of the number. What position are there in the particular number? That means called the place values. So if you want to find out the place values of one number, that means the position. What position of the number? Okay mama. So ஒரு நம்பருடைய place values find பண்ணனும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அது வந்து என்ன பொசிஷனில் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத சொல்லறதுக்கு பேர் தான் place values அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவாமா? ஸோ ஃபார் த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒன் நம்பர் இஸ் given. First you write the place value orders. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. First you write the order of the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. The question is, what is the place value of 9? What is the place value of 9? That is the question. So the answer is, what position of the 9? 9 is 100th position. 9 is 100th position. So 9 is 100th position. So the place value of 9 is 900. So what is the place value? Place value means the position of the number. Place value means the position of the number. For the example, one number is given. First you write the orders of the place values, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So what is the question? Write the place values of 9. So you see what position of 9 here. What position of 9 is in here. So what is the position? So 9 is a 100th position. 9 is a 100th position. So the place value of 9 is 900. The place value of 9 is 900. That's all. So listen ma, if you want to find the place values, so first you write the orders of the place values. First you write the orders of the place values, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. After you see, so in the 9th, what is the question? The place values of 9. So 9 is what position of the number? 9 is 100th position. So the place values of 9 is 900. Suppose the question is, write the place values of 4 means what is the answer? The place values of 4 means 4000. What is the place value of 4? 4 means 1000 place. So the place values of 4 is 4000. The place values of 5 is 5 tens. Similarly, the place values of 6 is 6 ones. That's all. Okay. So if you want to find the place values of numbers, first you write the place values orders, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After you see what is the position of the number, what is the position of the number. So what is the, write the place values of 9. So 9 is 100th position. 9 is 100th position. So the place values of 9 is 900s. The place values of 4 is 4000s. The place values of 5 is 5 tens. The place values of 6 is 6 ones. That's all. Okay. Next, face value. Face value means face value is number itself. Face value is the individual value of the numbers. Place value means the individual value of the number is called the face value. For one small example ma, listen, I am in Namakkal. இப்போ நான் வந்து நாமக்கல்ல இருக்கேன். ஓகே, நான் நாமக்கல்ல இருக்கேன். So Namakkal is a place. Namakkal is a place. I went to சேலம். நான் வந்து சேலம் போகிறேன் அப்படின்னா சேலம்ங்கிறது ஒரு பிளேஸ். ஸோ நான் இங்கே நாமக்கல்லில் இருக்கேன், அடுத்து சேலத்தில் இருக்கேன். ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ பிளேஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், பட் என்னுடைய ஃபேஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகுமாடா? சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. ஸோ நாமக்கல்லில் இருக்கும்போதும் என்னுடைய ஃபேஸ் இது தான், நான் சேலத்தில் இருக்கும்போது என்னுடைய ஃபேஸ் இது தான். ஆனால் பிளேஸ் மட்டும் என்ன ஆகுது? நாமக்கல்லேருந்து சேலம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது இல்லையா? ஸோ என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிளேஸ் வேல்யூஸ் ஆர் சேஞ்சுடு. Place values are changed according to the given position of the numbers. Okay, according to the positions. So அதோடைய பொசிஷனை பொறுத்து நம்பருடைய place values change ஆகும். So the place values are changed according to the position. பொசிஷனை பொறுத்து place values change ஆகும். But face value is not changed. This is a fixed value. Face value is fixed value. So the face value is number itself. ஒரு நம்பருடைய இண்டிவிஜுவல் வேல்யூ தான் face value. Face value is constant value. Then listen ma, example, one number is given. So write the face value of 7. The answer is 7. Write the face value of 7. The answer is 7. இங்கே போட்டாலும் 7 தான், இங்கே ரைட் பண்ணாலும் இதோடைய நம்பர் 7 தான், இங்கே ரைட் பண்ணாலும் the value is 7. So the face value is not changed. This is a constant value. ஒரு நம்பருடைய இண்டிவிஜுவல் வேல்யூ தான் அது. ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ சேமா the face values of 6 is 6. The face values of 9 is 9. The face values of 3 is 3. Not changed. Okay, so the place values, listen ma, the order of the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So if you want to find the place values, first you write the place values orders. After you see what is the position of the number. So that position is called place values. That position is called the place values of number. For example, 4956 is given. So what is the question? Write the place values of 9. What is the position of 9 in given number? 9 hundreds. So 9 hundreds is the answer. Suppose the place values of 4 means 4000s is the answer. Okay, next face value. Face value is number itself. ஒரு நம்பருடைய இண்டிவிஜுவலான வேல்யூ தான் face values. So for the example 9673 is given. The face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 3 is 3. So place values are changed according to the position, but face value is fixed values, not changed. Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Find the face value and place value of the underlined digit in the given numbers. Okay, 3 sums கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதில் ஒவ்வொரு நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. The particular numbers we will find out the face value and also place values. So listen ma, first sum. You put the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. How to read the number? 1379. Okay mama. So what is the first question? Face value of 3. The underlined digit is 3. So the face value of 3 is what? 3. The face value of 3 is 3. Next you see the place value of 3. The place value of 3. What is the place value of 3? What is the position of 3? 300. என்ன பொசிஷன்ல இருக்கு 3? 100th பொசிஷன்ல இருக்கு. So what is the position of 3? 100. So what is the answer? 300s. What is the answer ma? 300s. Okay mama. So in the first sum 1379 is a given question. 3 is underlined number. So we will find out the face value and place value of 3. First face value. Face value means what? Face value of number is a number itself. ஒரு நம்பருடைய இண்டிவிஜுவல் வேல்யூ தான். The individual value of the number is called the face value. So 3 means the face value of 3 is 3, not changed. Next place value. Place value means the position of the number. Place value means the position of the number. So what is the position of 3 in the given number? 300th position. What is the position? 100th position. That means the 100th place. So the place value of 3 is 300s. That's all. Okay mama. So next sum, one number is given. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay mama. So listen. 9 is underlined digit. So face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 9 is 9. Not changed. Next place value. The place value of 9. What is the place? What is the position of 9 in given number? 9 is thousands place. 9 is in 1000 place. So the place value of 9 is 9000. The place value of 9 is 9000s. Okay mama. So next third sum, one number is given. First you write the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So 6 is the underlined digit. The first one face value. Face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 6 is 6. Next you see place value. What is the place value of 6? That means what position of 6 in given number. So what is the position? Ones place. So the answer is 6 ones. The answer is 6 ones. That's all. Okay, Mama. So find the face value and place value of the underlined digit in the given numbers. This is the given question, ma. 3 numbers are given and one single digit number is underlined. We will find out the face value and place values of the underlined digits. First sum, you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So the face value of 3 is underlined digit. So the face value of 3 means 3. This is not changed. எந்த நம்பருக்கு face value கேட்டாலும் அதே நம்பர் தான் வரும். Same number. The face value of number is same number. அதே நம்பர் தான் வரும். Next place value. So place value means the position of the number. What is the position of 3 in the given number? What position? 100 position. So the place value of 3 is 300s. Okay. So next sum, you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 9 is the underlined digit. So the face value of 9 is 9, not changed. Next place value of 9. The place value of 9 is what position of 9 here? 1000 position. That means the 1000 place. So the place value of 9 is 9000s. So third sum, one number is given. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In the number, the 6 is underlined digits. We will find out the face value and place value of 6. First you write the face value of 6, 6. That is a fixed number. Okay. Next place value. Place value means what position of 6 in the given number. 6 is in ones place position. So 6 is in ones place. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones. Okay, Mama. Picks expanded form and short form. Okay, Mama. So expanded form. First you write the place values. Place values are very important of numbers. That means place values are basic of the numbers. Numbers topic பொறுத்தவரையிலும் place values are very important. So already you know that the place value chart. Okay, place value chart and place value orders also. So the place value starts with right hand side. The first place value is ones. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. 4 digits only enough. So one number is given. This is the short form number. So now we are going to write the expanded form. How to write the expanded form? By using the place values to write the expanded form. So listen, ma. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So how to write the expanded form? First you see, ma. 4963 is a given number. How to write the expanded form? So the 1000 place having what number? 4. 4. The place value of 4 is 1000 place. So 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000. Okay, Mama. So 1000 place having a number 4. So how to write? 4 into 1000. Next 100 place having 9. So 9 into 100. The 100 place having a number 9. So 9 into 100. Okay, Mama. Next 10th place having a number 6. 10th place having a number 6. How to write? 6 into 10. 6 into 10. Next ones place having a number 3. So 3 into 1. This is the expanded form. So how to write? Listen, ma. One number is given. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. After you write the expanded form. So first you see 1000 place. 1000 place having what number? 4. So 4 into 1000. கொடுத்திருக்க number அதோடைய place values. கொடுத்திருக்க number multiplied by places. Given number how to write the expanded form? The given number multiplied by positions. Positions means places. So the given number multiplied by places. So 4000. How to write? 4 into 1000. Next 100 place having 9. So 9 into 9 is what place? 100. So 100 plus 6 what places? 10. So 6 into 10. Next 3 is in ones place. So 3 into 1. Okay mama. So 4,000. 4 into 1,000. 900. 9 into 100. 63. 6 is in 10th place. So 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1. How to write? 4 into 1,000. What is the answer? 4,000. 4 into 1,000. 4,000. Plus 9 into 100. 900. 9 into 100. 900. Next. 6 into 10. 6 tens are 60. Plus 3 into 1. 1 threes are 3. Okay mama. So 4 into 100. That means the given number multiplied by the places. The given number multiplied by the places of that number. That is called the expanded form. Expanded form means what? The given number multiplied by the places of the number. Okay va? ஒரு number வந்து அதோடைய places ஆல multiply பண்ணி write பண்ணணும். Okay வாமா? So 4 வந்து என்ன placeல இருக்கு? 1000 placeல இருக்கு. So 4 into 1000. 9 in 100 place. 9 into 100. 6 in 10th place. So 6 into 10. 3 in 1's place. So 3 into 1. So 4 into 100. 400. 4 into 1000. 4000. 9 into 100. 900. 6 into 10. 60. 3 into 1. 3. So how to write the final answer? 4,963 equal to 4,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 3. That is the expanded form. Okay mama. Next short form. This is short form is given, we write the expanded form. After the expanded form is given, we write the short form. So listen ma. 5,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. This is the expanded form. Now we are going to write the short form of the given expanded form. So you see, first how to read the number? 5,000. Next 300, 40 plus 2. This is the given expanded form. How to write this 5,000? 5 into 1,000. Yes or no ma? 4,000. 4 into 1,000. 900. 9 into 100. So similarly 5,000. 5 into 1,000. Okay. Plus. So listen. First you put the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and 1,000. So 5,000. 5 into 1,000. So the place value of 5 is the 1,000 place having what number? 5. So first number is 5,000. How to write? 5 into 1,000. So 1,000 place having what number? 5. So you write the 5 in 1,000 place. Next 300. How to write? 3 into 100. So the 100 place having a number? 3. So you write the 3 in 100 place. Next plus 40. How to write? 4 into 10. So the 10th place having a number 4. So you write the 4 in 10th place. Next plus 2. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 means what? 2. So 2 is in 1's place. So how to write the expanded form to short form? 5,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2 is given expanded form. We are going to write the short form. So 5,000 how to write? 5 into 1,000. So the 1,000 place having a number 5. So you write the 5 in 1,000 place. Next 300. How to write? 3 into 100. So the 100 place value is 3. So you write the 3 in 100 place. Next 40. 4 into 10. So the 10th place value having a number 4. So you write the 4 in 10th place. Next 2. 2 is a single digit. That means the 1's place value. 2 into 1 is also 2. So 2 into 1. The 1's place value is 2. 2 how to write? 2 into 1. The 1's place value is 2. So you write the 2 in 1's place. So how to read the number? 5,342. 5,342. Okay, mama. So listen, ma. One standard number, that means the short form. Standard or short form. So one number is given. We are going to write the expanded form. First you put the place values of given numbers, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. After you will expand at the form. First you write 4,000. How to represent it? 4 into 1000 plus symbol is very important, plus 900. The 100 place value is 9. So 9 into 100. Next the 10th place value is 6. 6 into 10. Next the ones place value is 3. So 3 into 1. Next you see 4 into 1000 means 4000. 9 into 100 means 900. 6 into 10 means 60. 3 into 1 means 3. So the finally expanded form of 4963 is 4000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 3. Okay, mama. So after expanded form is given, we will write the short form. So 5000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. This is the expanded form. We are going to write the short form. Listen, 5000. 1000. How to read the number? 5000. So how to write this number? 5 into 1000. Yes or no, ma? 4000. 4 into 1000. So similarly, 5000, 5 into 1000. So the 1000 place value is 5. So you write the 5 in 1000 place. Next 300. 3 into 100. So the 100 place value is 3. You write the 3 in 100 place. Next 40. 4 into 10. So the 10th place value is 4. You write the 4 in 10th place. Next 2. 2 into 1. The ones place value is 2. So you write the 2 in ones place. Okay, mama, are you clear? Short form to expanded form and expanded form to short form. Okay, ma. Next 2.3 second Roman. Complete the table with the numbers in expanded or short form. Okay, ma. Some numbers kuduthirukanga, adudey expanded form kuduthirukanga. So first sum, listen, ma. First you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. How to read the number? 6785. How to write the expanded form? 6000. So you write the 6000 plus 700. 700 plus 85. What is the meaning of 85? 80 plus 5. 80 plus 5. That's all. Okay, Vada. So 6785 is the given number. So you write the expanded form. 6000. How to write 6 into 1000? 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000 means what? 6000. Okay, 6 into 1000 means 6000. Directly you write 6000. So 6000, 1000 having 3 zeros. Already I told you. So 6000 plus 700. 700 plus 85. 85 means 80 plus 5. 85 means 80 plus 5. That's all. So second sum, you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. How to read the number? 4296. How to write the expanded form? 4000. So 4000 plus 200. 200 plus 96. What is the meaning of 96? 90 plus 6. That's all. So third sum, you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. 5071. Because the 100 place having a number 0. So don't consider the 0. You see 5000. You write the 5000 plus 100 place 0. No need. After 71. 71 means 70 plus 1. 71 means 70 plus 1. Okay, mama. So 5071 equal to 5000 plus 70 plus 1. This is the expanded form. Next, you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. How to read the number? 9999. How to write the expanded form? 9000 plus 900 plus 99. What is the meaning of 99? 90 plus 9. 90 plus 9. So 9999 is 9000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Okay, Mama. So this is the 2.3 second Roman. Okay, are you clear the short form to expanded form and expanded form to short form? Okay, Mama. So இதெல்லாம் வந்து நீங்க class workலயும் copy பண்ணனும் and also you must write the book also. bookல வந்து fill ups மாதிரி கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா அதையும் வந்து நீங்க complete பண்ணனும். Okay, Mama.